only human.
What's up, lovely people? Today I'm going to be unboxing my snack crate and trying out the different snacks. It looks like my snack crate box is from Egypt and I'm very excited, and this is a little list of some of the things that might be inside this box. The first snack I'm going to try are these Bang Bites, and they remind me of Parolini sticks. I think how you pronounce it is kanu, and these are fiery cheese flavored. They taste just like Bugles and they're really good. These are mini Tipo, and it kind of reminds me of the Girl Scout cookies peanut butter patty, but just chocolate flavored. There were 3 pieces of candy called Paradise. I decided to try the pineapple flavor, and it reminds me of a hot chew. I really enjoyed the sponge cake with strawberry filling. It reminded me of a Little Debbie snack, the little strawberry shortcake. I'm not a fan of the Stars bar. It reminds me of a Three Musketeers, and that's a no for me. This Friska bar tastes like a vanilla wafer that has a white chocolate coating on top of it. It's very good. This Blazo bar was really good. It reminds me of a Star Crunch. Now I'm getting ready to try this hard candy called Dolce, and it tastes like coffee with the perfect blend of creamer and sugar added. Next up are these Sour Bites. They're more on the sweet side, and the flavoring is just like Coke. This chocolate bar reminds me of a Crunch bar. It's very similar in taste. These Munch bars remind me of a Nutty Buddy, and I'm not a fan at all. I'm unsure of how to pronounce the name of this snack. However, it just tastes like a regular vanilla wafer. This snack is called Lux Dates, and it reminds me of a Fig Newton, but it also has a crunch to it, and it has dates instead of figs inside. This is the last snack in my box, the Wave Chips, and these are the different flavors on the back. I have the chili and the lemon, and it reminds me of the tahini seasoning. Okay, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.